Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to continue with the Upwork series where I'll be showing you how to get clients and build your social media marketing agency in 2020. Let's jump right into it.
Yeah, I doubt myself, and I'm too proud to ask for help. When you see me beside myself, I don't have to explain it, baby. Yeah, I'm all for breaking fights and trying to mend beneath the hype. Don't wanna know that I'm...
So guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Amazon FBA clients. This is a secret that I've kept to myself for the past, 12 months, where I haven't told anyone else in the community about this specific niche. Now, let's go back a little bit. In 2017, I launched my first ever Amazon FBA brand, which was actually a wallet brand. And since that time, I've been hooked on Amazon FBA. And if you actually go back to my channel's, half about Upwork, half about Amazon FBA, because I'm so passionate about it, right? I've launched multiple brands, I've had multiple clients, probably about 20, 30 different clients in the Amazon FBA niche, okay? And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to stand out and capture this part of the market. And by the way, on Upwork, there are thousands and thousands of jobs for Amazon FBA experts, okay? So what you need to do is basically go onto Upwork in the same way that you do for Facebook ads and social media management, and just basically on the Upwork search bar type in Amazon FBA, and you will see a variance of Amazon FBA consulting, Amazon FBA management, Amazon PPC. Apply to every single one of them, okay? Apply to every single one of them. Now someone's gonna be like, oh, how do I do Amazon PPC? Well, you don't do Amazon PPC, okay? You're gonna outsource every single detail. Your job is to get on a call, just like you do for Facebook ads, just like you do for social media management, and then you close them and then you outsource them. Just like I've said in all my other Upwork videos, your job is basically sales, and then you outsource to an expert on Upwork, someone who's been doing PPC on Amazon for 5-10 years, and you basically are the, just like you do for your Facebook ads and your social media marketing clients, you're just basically the middleman, okay? So Amazon FBA is massive on Upwork. I've probably had over 30 different clients, and probably 50% of my revenue for the past 12 months, as insane as it is, has been Amazon FBA clients. So you guys really need to go into Upwork and actually capture this part of the market, just like you do for Facebook ads, just like you do for social media management. This is just another source of clientele that you can close right now, today, just like you do for your Facebook ads clients. And in fact, it's a lot less competitive than Facebook ads clients, because there's not that many Amazon FBA Amazon FBA agencies. There's not that many Amazon PPC agencies, because it's a lot less popular. For every 100 Facebook ads agencies, there's probably one Amazon FBA agency. So you could literally be the guy going into Upwork and capturing every single client. Okay, you will be competing with me and I'll beat you, but you could be that guy on Upwork, getting those Amazon FBA clients, getting those social media management clients, getting those Facebook ads clients, and literally crushing it in 2020. Now, you can also obviously do SEO, design, whatever, Photoshop, video editing. But I'm just telling you about something I know that is super, super powerful and super, super lucrative, because Amazon FBA is so simple at the front end. Obviously, it's very complicated. It's a very complicated business, but you could literally close clients, 2 to 3 clients a week, and outsource every single one of them, okay? So the goal for you guys, or an action plan, is to go onto Upwork. If you already have an Upwork profile for Facebook ads, create a new specialized profile and name it Amazon FBA expert or Amazon FBA consultant. In fact, you can go to my profile and check out my profile, or one of my students' profile, or one of my friends' profile, and literally, copy their title if you really are that uncreative in regards to creating your own title and your own description, and then just close the hell out of these Amazon FBA clients, okay? So thank you for watching. Obviously, this is a short video. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and then make sure you put the notification bell on, because there will be, 10, 15 other videos coming in regards to the Upwork video series, where I'll be showing you guys how to crush your social media marketing agency in 2020 using Upwork alone. I'll see you guys on the next video.